Welcome, my dear. Come sit with me for a little while, and let us remember some of life's gentle things. There was a time when nearly every home carried the quiet scent of soup, slowly simmering through the afternoon. Long before people spoke of wellness trends, families simply believed warm broth could steady a tired heart. Some soups were prepared during cold winters, while others appeared quietly beside the beds of the sick. In many old villages, soup was never considered small food. It was care itself. A humble bowl could warm cold fingers, soften grief, and make a lonely evening feel less heavy. Many grandmothers quietly believed certain soups carried memories inside them. The scent alone could remind someone they were loved, and perhaps that is why these ancient soups survived for so many generations. Not because they were expensive, not because they were fashionable, but because they quietly helped people endure difficult seasons of life. I still remember hearing soup gently bubbling before sunrise on winter mornings. The kitchen always felt calmer when something warm was cooking slowly. In many cultures, soup became the food people trusted most during uncertain times. Some recipes were passed from mothers to daughters without ever being written down. Others came from monasteries, farming villages, and quiet family kitchens hidden deep in the countryside. These soups were rarely complicated, but they carried something modern meals sometimes forget: patience, care, and the quiet understanding that nourishment was never meant to be rushed. In many ancient homes, winter soup began with bones, herbs, and thyme. People believed long-simmered broth restored strength gently, little by little. When I was young, many kitchens kept broth quietly cooking for nearly the entire day. The aroma settled into curtains, clothing, and memory itself. Some families added barley during hard winters because it helped stretch meals further. Others stirred in garlic and onions, believing warmth began deep inside the body. Today, some researchers quietly support the idea that slow-cooked broths may comfort digestion and hydrate. But long ago, people did not need scientific words to trust what soothed them. They simply noticed how certain meals brought peace back into tired homes. And perhaps that quiet peace was part of the healing all along. Lentil soups have comforted human beings for thousands of years. Even in biblical times, lentils were considered deeply nourishing and dependable food. These humble little legumes appeared in homes where resources were often scarce. Yet somehow, the soup always felt generous. Many grandmothers added carrots, celery, and herbs from the garden without measuring carefully. The soup changed slightly every season, just like life itself. Modern studies quietly suggest lentils may support heart health and lasting energy. But older generations mostly valued how satisfying the meal felt after a long day of work. There was comfort in knowing something warm would always be waiting. And for many families, that comfort mattered more than luxury ever could. Perhaps ancient soups survived because they reminded people how to slow down. They asked very little from the world, only patience, warmth, and a little care. And maybe those quiet things still matter more than we sometimes remember. Take gentle care of yourself this week. And if you can, share something warm with someone you love.